gotcha. All right, before our last number, my name is Graham Heisey. I'm one of the band teachers here at Skellman Middle School, and it is just so cool that our students have this opportunity to learn the power of persistent, sustained, hard work and what that can result in, and we couldn't be more proud of them. Before we wrap up tonight, I'd be remiss if we didn't thank a number of people who helped make this evening possible. First of all, we have this lovely concert hall that was transformed into a concert hall from a PE classroom by our excellent custodial staff, so we're very grateful to them. And we are also grateful to our extremely supportive administrative staff, represented tonight by one of our assistant principals, Mr. Loweridge, who I know is somewhere, I think he's way back there, because there's no season, so thank you to those people. Before the Wind Ensemble performs for you our final piece, which is a wonderful and delightful arrangement of a Christmas carol called I Saw Three Ships, I would like to ask that even though you've been sitting for quite some time, at the conclusion of the concert that you would stay sitting for 1 or 2 minutes longer, because our students have very expensive instruments, as you know, and we would like for them to be able to get those instruments to safety before the audience leaves. So thank you in advance for your cooperation with that. Now please enjoy I Saw Three Ships.